Welcome back to North of the Broad. I'm your host, Karen Wyman, coming to you from the Paddle Shack above Higher Ground here on Ladies Island, joined by the one and only owner of Higher Ground, Tim Lovett.
Hello, Karen.
Hey, friend. How you doing?
I'm good. How you doing?
Look at this. I'm awesome because I'm here with you, but look at this.
Yeah.
It's October. We're in the middle of October, sitting out here on the Paddle Shack, looking at this incredible view.
It's amazing. So nice.
It is so nice. And I think, okay, keeping our fingers crossed that we have seen the last of any hurricane weather.
No more hurricanes.
No more hurricanes. They're gonna big round X, like no hurricanes on our clothing. But yeah, we've remained pretty much unscathed.
Yes, very lucky this year.
You're very lucky that we've got this beautiful marina and this whole area is intact, which is great for visitors to come down here to the Low Country.
Absolutely.
And check out Beaufort and check out Higher Ground and all that you have to offer.
It is. We just had some paddleboarders get off the water a few minutes ago here. I'm not sure where they're visiting from, but said that they were driving by and it was such a nice day they decided to stop and go out for the first time, and they had a blast.
Don't you just love that kind of spontaneity?
Yes.
Like people are like, let's just go do this.
I do.
Yeah, it's
That's what
awesome.
it's all about. That's why we're here.
I know, that's right.
Yeah.
That's what life's all about. So you have a lot going on, as you usually do here at Higher Ground, but one of the things we want to highlight is that you've got some Hobie kayak demos and you've got some things on sale.
Yes, we have 4 of our Hobie demos left over from this season that were slightly used for people to demo the Hobie product with the Mirage Drive. And we have them discounted and ready to go. So if anybody's interested in a Hobie kayak, a 2018 model, because the 2019s are getting ready to come out, we have a few left in stock.
Well, that's great. Someone who's been sitting on the fence, or maybe someone who's thinking about Christmas presents, now is the time to come and see as we start to discount some of those 2018 items, right?
That would be perfect.
Yeah. I mean, and the other thing is on November 1st, this is a really exciting thing to talk about. You guys are going to be celebrating your 1-year anniversary in this location.
I know. Can you believe it has been a year?
No, I'm super excited.
We're still saying a new location, but I'm like, holy cow, a year has gone by.
So we're going to have a party?
We're having a party.
Let's talk about the party.
Okay. Thursday, November 1st, 5 till, we're going to say 7, but till whenever.
Right.
The usual, have a little beer, a little wine, a little music, and some refreshments. And we'll be running sort of our little pre-holiday preview sale, get everybody in here and start looking towards the Christmas shopping. But yeah, we're going to celebrate our 1-year anniversary and celebrate Hobie's 7th birthday.
Wow, all on the same night. That's a lot to handle.
It is. It's going to be crazy.
But that's amazing. That's a big feat. It was a big undertaking, to move from a location that you had been to and were established for a very long time to come here, to be obviously so much closer to the water, to give your patrons the opportunity to test out kayaks and stand-up paddleboards right here before they make that decision, that big decision to purchase.
Yes.
So congratulations to you and your team.
It's all worked beautifully. I mean, I hate to say everything worked out just like we had planned, but it's, knock on wood, so far so good.
Things work out for a reason.
Yes, our rentals, our tours, the demo, getting people on the water has grown dramatically, which is what we really want. We just want to be able to turn people on to the Low Country and get as many people on the water as possible. Right,
and of course, if you've got someone in your family who loves to go out on the water, they don't have their own board, you can always come and buy them a gift certificate.
Oh yeah. Pay
up front and give them a nice little gift in their stocking. And Hunting Island Paddle Fest, it's the last thing we want to talk about, is coming up on Saturday, November the 10th. At 11 a.m. And the proceeds go?
Beaufort
Water Rescue. Search and Rescue.
Beaufort Water Search and Rescue, exactly. It's a mouthful. But yes, they are a totally volunteer search and rescue organization that if you are the one that happens to get in trouble out on the water, whether it be your boat or your kayak, or if you're stuck and you call 911, those are the first guys that show up. So we definitely want to support them, and we're raising money to help them out. They also are great about coming out and watching over our events and making sure everybody goes out and comes back safely. So it's a great cause.
Awesome. So if you're interested in signing up for that, people can find out information where?
You can go to, it is paddleguru.com, and it's Paddlefest will be in there. Paddlefest 2018 will be the sign up.
All right. Well, we're super happy for you and your team for that big celebration. Look forward to having a little celebration with you on November the 1st.
Sounds great.
Thanks so much, Tim.
Thank you, Karen.
All right. That wraps up this edition of North of the Broad.